For the remote places on Earth, for roads less traveled, we present to you DJI Dock. Built for round-the-clock automatic and repeatable drone flights, wherever you need it. Highly compact and integrated for easy installation, setup and configure in just 30 minutes. Core components are modular and easy to maintain. The M30 Dock version upon landing can recharge and take off in just 25 minutes. With an operating radius of 7 kilometers, DJI Dock can cover a wide range of repetitive inspection and monitoring tasks across a variety of scenarios. Plan and perform remote missions through the DJI FlightHub 2 cloud platform. The drone can take off, execute the assigned tasks, and automatically upload media files. Check on drones, docks, and mission status in real time from your web browser to officially manage your grid of docks and achieve a truly remote work experience.